Well, welcome back, everyone. I hope you guys having an awesome day. Let's play another session. It's gonna be a quick one, 53 through 56. The Sizzling Hot 100,000s. I got 4 of them, and I got 1 Mega Loteria ticket 41. So we get take care of that one last. Let's take care of the Sizzling Hot. Match any of your numbers to the hot number. Win a hot prize or number. Match any of your number to the hot bonus. Win 10 times. Okay, guys, here we go. Zoom in a little bit. There we go. Hot numbers are 39, 6, 11, 45, and 2. Okay, nothing on the first row. $15, $22, $24, $37, $20, $46, $30, $23, $33. $4, $38, 1 off. 19 and 10, 3, 27, 18, 16, and 47. Hot number. We got a 49 and just 48. All right. Ticket 53 is a loser. Ticket 54, 47, 31, 16, 3, and 13. 22, 37, 4, 45, 6, 9, 14, 23, 43, 21, and 10 and 15, 27, 17, 18, 11, 48, 1 off. Last row, 30, 26, 32, 1 off, 41, and 49. Hot number. We got 35. Close, but not a winner. All right, ticket 55, guys. We got a 5, 16, 42, 45, and 41. 37, 26. 49. 41. We got a match 41. All right. So, anything else? 16. We got matching 16s. All right, guys. 15, nope. 35, 17, there's 20, 42, we got matching 42s, Matching 45s. All right. Last row. Anything else? There's 32. 38. 28. And a 48. All right. Let's check the hot number if we have anything. 31 on the hot number. No, we don't have 31, guys. Okay, but we have I think 4 matches. All right, we got 16. We got the 16. We have 42, 45. And I think that's it. 16, 42. Yep. All right, let's check it out, guys. See what we got. Oh, and 41. Sorry, 41 right there. All right, let's start with 41. There's a 5, 16. Another 5 for 10. 15 and 45. Adds up another 5 for 20. All right, guys. That was ticket 55. $20. We got some money on the board. Ticket 56. Can we go back to back? We got 14, 32, 17, 3, and 45. We got 20, 30, 35, 43, 21, 47, 1 off, 22, 12, 23, 1 off on 2, 9, 33, 8, 42, 37 and 10, 19, 39, 38, 46, last one, 24. All right, anything on the hot bonus? 48. We got a 38 and a 47. Close one, but no, 56 is a loser. All right, here we go with the Mega Loteria, guys. This is ticket 41. Here we go. We got a corn and rattlesnake. Boar, desert. Saddle, piñata. Cactus, gem. Mockingbird, cherries. Cardinal shoes. Newspaper, ship. Fire, jackrabbit. Pecan tree, wheel. Bicycle, maracas. Cowboy hat, chili pepper. Bat and a hen. Alright, last four, guys. Soccer ball, cow. Nope. And the last two. Lone Star and Moonrise. We got the Lone Star here. Moonrise, not enough. Alright, ticket 41 is a loser, guys, on the Mega Loteria, but we saved the session on ticket 55 with a $220 win on Sizzling Hot 100,000s. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck on these tickets. Appreciate you guys all the support. Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great one, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.